Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Black Swan outfit on Dress to Impress. So this is the custom face that I use. If you don't have it, that's also fine. These are the eyes that I used here, and then I didn't use any eyebrows. These are the lips I used. I just colored it red. And here are the extra stuff I used for it for the makeup. Cool. Alright, for the hair I just used this basic bun. I do not like the other buns, so I just use this one. For the top, I know it's not like a super ballet top, but I actually really like the top on this set. The top only matches it perfectly. Color it black, and for this like rhinestones, you're just going to color it gray. You can add a little bit glitter to it if you'd like to. Like that maybe, but I don't like to add glitter, so let's do, whoa, wrong one. Let's do like metallic, I guess. For the skirt, obviously we're going to just use this ballet skirt. Then you don't need this, but if you do have VIP, I like to add the black wings for the like transformation, as well as these like scales here. If you don't want them to show that much, you can color the rest like your skin color. Hopefully it'll blend, but I just colored that black. I think I'm just going to color everything black at this point. And then for the shoes, obviously we're going to use the ballet shoes. I know they're not the best for it, but like they're the only ballet shoes that we have. I don't really like how there's like pink in it, so let's go to ballet here, and we're going to color all black. And that is how you can create Black Swan on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.